Hi there, students. Stir crazy. Are you going stir crazy? Okay, stir crazy is when somebody becomes extremely restless or impatient or psychologically disturbed because they've been in prison for a long time. They've been incarcerated for a long time. And they go a bit mad. And that's what they call stir crazy. By extension, we can use this to talk about a person who is confined, who is under lockdown, who is inactive, unable to do things. And they become fidgety, distraught, frantic, restless, uncomfortable. Okay? So, stir crazy. So I have a feeling that there are a lot of people under lockdown who are going stir crazy. The Americans have a nice word for this as well, cabin fever. This is from being in a log cabin in the mountains all through the winter. And it's so cold and the weather's so bad that you can't go out. Okay, so to go stir crazy, to be stir crazy. Now, the origin of this word I really like. Stir is an informal slang word for prison. In stir. He's been in stir for many years. So he goes stir crazy from being in stir. Now, the origin of stir, well, you probably think of to stir your food, but this actually has a different origin. It comes from a Romani word. Romani is the language spoken by the gypsies. It comes from the word sturiben, which means prison. And this is probably related to a Sanskrit word meaning stand. So stir prison is actually originated from a Romani gypsy word, stir for prison. So to go stir crazy, I can't stand it being locked up in here anymore, I need to go out. If you're stir crazy, just think that you are doing good for other people. There are loads of interesting things you could do at home. You could spend all day watching my videos, for example. Okay, so stir crazy, psychologically disturbed from a prolonged period of incarceration or in prison. And then, by extension, being restless because you're under lockdown, because you are confined or inactive. So, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Stir crazy.